Ka Jingkhot tender sop-sop jong director ka Tnad Printing and Stationery jong ka sokkar Jylla kam Shillong kaba penbenai yar bantip paidbah. Kinoy alam ka seng sain hima Khun Hynniewtrep National Awakening Movement KHNAM kiladawa ban pynsangeh mardor yakani ka jingthmu ban lilam ki tiar sorkar na ka Tnad Printing and Stationery tat hadu ban penbenai yar ya ka tender. Layat hu kidon hadu kumba khatsau hadu khatsanton ki mar bakani ka Tnad kathmu ban lilam shiki mahajon kiba kli dor he. Kinoy alam juga KHNAM Central Executive Committee haka shiphau tarik risau kilaya kendo u Director Printing and Stationery SR Marak bandawa ban pynsangeh yakani ka tender sop-sop kaban pensuk yakitu kiba itu bahe bahan ban thed eki mar lilam ka sorkar hakador kabatat.
Today from our side, from the party side, we have submitted a letter, a representation to the Director of the Printing and Stationery Department, Government of Meghalaya. The letter is related to the tendering process that the department has recently issued, with related to the scrap of the department, which weight amount around approximately 14 to 15 tons. The department has floated a closed tender. And this is where we have objection. Therefore, we have submitted a letter to the director. We have make our demand clear that this tender should be open tender, so that the procedure is clear and transparent, so that we avoid nepotism. Because as per the practice, not only in this department and in other department also, whenever tender like this is being floated in the public domain, they give it in closed tender. Then there are pressure from the minister, pressure from the higher up authorities to ensure that by nepotism that tender is allotted to the person or persons that are known to these ministers and known to the higher up authorities. So from our side, we want that such type of practice should be stopped and let this type of tender be issued as open tender, so that in a transparent way the deserving bidder will get the tender. It's been some time now. I think it is still under progress, and after a few days from now, I think the tender also will come to an end. So therefore, we are requesting the department through the director to ensure that the tender is an open tender, so that everybody is happy. There's no doubt in the mind of anybody. And from our side, we will be following this up through RTIs, so that objective is just one, to ensure that there's no nepotism in the whole process.